Yeah. Elle veut danser, elle veut bouger, yeah. Never seen it quite like this. She be the hottest in town, coming out the twice.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is day 45 of my 100 days of YouTube videos, and today I'm just going to show you how to apply eyeliner using a simple dot method. I'm going to start by using my Zaron liquid eyeliner. I love this eyeliner so much. So the first thing I'm going to do is place a dot under the tail of my eyebrow, as you can see, and the next step is to place a dot on your inner corner, but my camera did not capture that because I was looking at the mirror. And I'm also going to place a dot on my eyelids, as you can see. So once I'm done placing the dots, I'm just going to connect the dots by using the eyeliner. That is basically it. It's very simple. This method is very good for beginners. And then I'm going to fill in the space with the eyeliner. Once I'm done with that, I'm also going to just use the eyeliner to make a sharp point. As you can see, just swipe. It's very simple. And once I put on my lashes and my mascara, I'm good to go. Yay, bad girl Shola Amanda. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also leave a comment letting me know what you think. Mwah, bye.
Let them know who got the crown, girl, who does it like you do. Always keep it hundo when you move. You don't really want it.